So Xen really helps Cavium compete in the market because in the server space today, many of our end users and many of our partners are already Xen users. And so it's really a requirement to entry to have that support, and not just the basic support, but optimization and a solid roadmap that shows we're committed and able to deliver on the Xen space for the server market. So we're excited about the growth potential for Xen, and we look at it with a couple of key metrics. One is the Xen Advisory Board itself. It hasn't been around that long, but both the number of participants, but more importantly, the quality of participants continues to grow. And that's across silicon vendors to software partners, and most importantly, to end users who are really making that investment. And in addition, we're seeing an increased number of software developers and contributors, and we're seeing a roadmap that collaboratively the collective group is committing to. So all of those things show the momentum that's happening, and that really applies to both private and public cloud, as well as large-scale data center users. So Xen's really been a good fit for the ARM architecture, and the reason is, and I give a lot of credit to the Xen community and Citrix to make this happen, is that unlike a lot of other software efforts, the Xen community really came at ARM as an ability and an opportunity to optimize for the new architecture. And that's true both in terms of code footprint, which is incredibly small, as well as optimization, as well as a solid roadmap. So all of those things together have been really impressive and I think unique for a brand new architecture in the server space. The exciting opportunity for companies who want to get involved in the Xen project really covers a couple of core building blocks. One is on the technical side. You're seeing a growing community, and let's face it, the open source community is always looking for new and exciting opportunities to build on, and we've seen that, and again in a short period of time. It's not just companies like Citrix, but now it's companies like Cavium, it's industry groups like Lenaro, all contributing and collaborating together. Secondly, on the business side, there is collaboration of a roadmap that gives confidence to end users that there's a lot of emphasis and investment that's going to protect their overall deployment and scale out strategy that they historically maybe haven't had to this level.